community center in heart of Lahore with this Lincoln Center, and it will usher in a new era of enlightenment and cultural exchanges. And I have in mind many community, in fact, activities starting from storytelling for kids to engagement with senior citizens through such centers. Honorable Ambassador Mr. Donald Blome, esteemed Consul General, and my team, it's really a big thing to have libraries in societies. I have taken charge a few months back, and when I visited this library, they showed me the very first thing was Lincoln Center, that they are soon going to open here in our library. I will further share that Punjab Archives and Libraries Department is with richest heritage of archived documents. We are digitalizing those documents. We have done with almost 1 million documents so far. These are Persian records from Mughal era, Sikh era, and colonial age. And soon we are going to share that material online for researchers, in fact, world over, for the benefit of universities and researchers. Coming to libraries, we have libraries all over Punjab, and now we are going to make these as community hubs, not just simple book collections. And I hope that our international partners like Nurses Embassy and other international donors and partners would also come forward so that we can promote enlightenment, literacy,